Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
Hi, I'm back again with one more episode of Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar. And guess where I am? I am at Devbag. And this is a unique and very authentic place where there is a homestay which is owned by Mr. Sahadev Salgaonkar. And do you know, he is the head of tourism, the president of Tarkarli, Wairi and Devbag. So I'm going to meet him today, and the special reason to meet him is he is a very good chef. All are very local and in a traditional recipes that he is going to show me today, and I'm going to show it to you. And there he comes. Yes, Mr. Sahadev.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for cooperating and letting me know all the secrets that you are doing. So, sir, can you tell me for how many years you have been doing this?
4 years.
अच्छा, म्हणजे तुम्हाला 4 वर्ष झाली आणि तुम्ही किचन स्वतःच करता.
स्वतःचा.
There is no helper,
No,
there
no.
is nobody. Okay.
I'm family.
And family. Okay. So his family actually helps him, and the kitchen is basically live kitchen that they do here. They have got some rooms here where people come and stay. And
नाही.
traditional recipes are being catered to them. And today, what is your plan? How are you going to show me the secret recipes
asa-
and spices? The spices are made by you.
Yes.
All the spices.
All
Wow,
spices.
see, there are people. There are certain people who buy spices from outside. But I've seen on the coastal belt, most of the people they make their own spices.
Yes.
And I also want to know what ingredients are put into the spices, because that adds the flavor to the fish curry or maybe the chicken curry or whatever.
Yeah.
So what is the menu today, sir? On the chart, let me know.
Breakfast, dinner, lunch.
Wow, 3 things together. So what are we having in breakfast?
Breakfast is the traditional rice.
Okay, the soup.
Soup.
Oh,
Traditional rice soup.
okay. So we are going to have pez in Marathi. it is
Malwani.
called pe- Malwani. It is called,
Pez.
yeah, it is called pez of boiled rice. And what we will be eating with that? आज काय असणार त्याच्याबरोबर?
Mackerel.
Okay, mackerel. Okay, dried mackerel.
Dried roasted
Okay,
mackerel.
so in that we will be having dried roasted mackerel, which he will roast it on the wood fire, and he maybe you have to see this recipe, and you will really love it. And I'm telling you, all you people will come running here at Devbag Coastal Homestay just to check all the recipe, because the other recipes are a surprise for me for
Yes,
the
yes.
lunch and dinner. So guys, let's start with the recipes first. Keep tuned. Come.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.
So this red boiled what we say is rice. We will wash it first at the step, because today we are going to make a paste out of it. That is called a soup out of it basically, and it's a very unique breakfast, which is a local breakfast. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
So this you will wash it first. After this, we will put it on. We will cook it.
Yes.
Okay. So after washing this rice, with how many cups of water will you boil this rice? About 2 cups, 3 cups water you will need.
4 cups.
Okay, so this rice will be boiled in another 4 cups of water. Look at this raw rice, right from the field. This is not those polished rice that we eat.
This is boiled rice.
This is a boiled rice.
rice.
Yeah. This is the first rice that they take after.
Traditional breakfast.
Yeah, but this is the first grain that comes out now after you dry it in the hay.
Yes.
म्हणजे हा पहिला तांदूळ आहे ना जो बाहेर पडतो. बरोबर.
Yes.
ओके. बराच धुवावा लागतो का हा? त्याचा लाल कलर जाईपर्यंत. हा लाल कलर कशामुळे येतो?
Is a not polish.
अच्छा. This red color which
Red
you
color
see,
is traditional.
okay, because it is not polished. Okay.
Yes.
So we will wash it till that red color is completely drained out. Okay, look at this. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, complete.
Okay. Now the voice. Fire and flame right now. We are going to put the parboiled rice into the mud pot and we'll let it sit for some time till it gets cooked properly. Sir, घेऊया आपण ठेवूया.
Uh,
Yeah. So,
this water.
okay. About 4 cups of water will be added now. After this, we'll let it boil for some time.
Yes.
Okay. Once the water is boiled, it's catching nice heat from down. Then this rice will be poured in and we'll let it set and cook for some time. Okay. In goes the parboiled rice. He has completely cleaned it. I can see that all red color that was there on that raw rice that has gone. This is going to be a unique breakfast. Very local and very organic one with this parboiled rice in its. We will be actually drinking its soup that will come out. And in that,
The salt.
you will. Okay. Acha, we'll add salt also in this. He's adding salt for taste. Yeah, the rice has started boiling. Just see. Look at the bubble. And look at how that parboiled rice has been cooked. Look at it. And that soup that is oozing out, that's basically the starch that it is. That is what we are going to have it today. Like soaky rice with some mackerels. Dried roasted mackerels, he will actually push into it. Those mackerels also will be roasted on this same wood fire. The water from this coconut. I will not let go anything waste. Okay, wow, look at that. Mm. These native coconuts, very sweet water. Okay, now what will you be doing with this? Are you going to grate it or what? Acha, will be cutting it. Okay. Look at this. These are the sizes. He'll be cutting pieces of coconut like that, of this size, and he will drop it into that cooked rice, the rice which is getting cooked. So when we are eating that soup and that rice together, acha, he face ka hai to ever? Okay. You can see this froth. This froth is actually thrown away. They say, certainly, see, look at that. The rice getting nicely boiled. Generally, they say that froth is always have to be thrown out. Some say it is the impurities that come up. This whole coconut will go in that, or only half?
Half. 2 or 3 pieces only.
Okay.
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh.
Superb. This is really authentic. Three pieces are enough for it.
Enough.
For taste or for what it is?
Taste.
Okay. Acha, these three pieces will give enough taste, not half cooked. Okay, I'm trying to taste it. This recipe is not yet complete. I'm just having it midway just to check. Wow, it is too hot. I'll have to check this. Wow. Only that parboiled rice, a little salt, and this one piece of coconut that I've got right now by luck, by chance. But this is absolutely, this is still half cooked. There is something else that is going to go, I think. So
Yes.
these mackerels, these are dried mackerels. These mackerel will be again roasted on that wood fire, and then he will shred those pieces from it, and those will also be dropped into that parboiled rice. So this is the morning traditional breakfast. Am I right, sir? Okay. Now we'll
Ready.
Okay, you will keep it aside here. Okay. Now step is to roast this. Okay. Look at the. Okay. अच्छा एवढे दोन बांगडे लागणार त्यामध्ये. ओके.
मामा चिमटा.
These are plain dried mackerel. You might think these are just a fish catch. No, this is not a. These are proper sun-dried banagelatar. Oh, look at this. Wow, nicely roasted sun-dried mackerels.
Fish curry.
My breakfast is still incomplete. This was just for tasting. Now this also will be added in this. After that, the whole taste will actually emerge out. Wow. बांगड्यांना आपोआप तेल सुटतं का? तेल असतं बांगड्यांना या? I'll take this.
Yes.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm taking this. The breakfast is ready. This is a Indian traditional boiled rice soup. Okay, and in this now what will be okay for taste? Acha. The pieces of dried mackerel are on the side. What is this? This for? This not to be put into this?
No.
Okay, I have to just use
Yes.
it as a as a taster on the side. Okay. I'll just have a piece of this. Mackerel never tasted so good. Damn good. I think I'm going to put it in the rice and eat it. So superb. जनरली हा असा ब्रेकफास्ट कोण करतं इथे गावामध्ये?
गावामध्ये आपलं ट्रेडिशनल आहे. जेव्हा म्हणजे इथे ऑइल वगैरे नव्हतं ना तेव्हापासून.
Okay, so this breakfast actually emerged out in the villages here when there was no oil. So they used to dry roast a dry mackerel or a dry fish like that, have this boiled rice soup, paste that we call, अँड ऑफ ऑन द फील्ड,
Field.
शेतामध्ये डायरेक्ट. हो ना? Okay. So our breakfast is done. We will be having now a breakfast nicely, and I'll be meeting you again in my next part at the lunch. Just wait for that surprise. So till then, bye bye and see you.
I have subscribed. Have you?
Fish Curry Stories with Nilesh Malkar.